Introducing Mini Delight Breezy Quest Outline Stamp Set. Beautiful floral with lots of great sentiments for your project. Also included this month is this amazing Breezy Quest die set that creates this beautiful hot air balloon, the little basket and the layering pieces for the balloon to make it look dimensional. Look at the dies on the back. We're going to get started with the outline piece, and then we're going to bring one of the side pieces of the balloon up, and we're going to align that on the left-hand side. Next, we'll align the same piece on the right-hand side. Those are both done in Honey Drizzle ink. Next, we have the center pieces, and these are going to be done with fresh lemon. We'll align those next to the Honey Drizzle pieces and get those put into place. Super easy to layer this together. And then we have one final center piece done with Citrus Burst, and we'll just lay that in between all the other pieces we've done. Then we need to attach our basket down at the bottom that's done in Espresso for this layer. The little basket layer is done in Rocky Shore. So cute. And then we have this piece here done in Mocha. And that layers together your hot air balloon for the Mini Delight Breezy Quest. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers using this fabulous stamp and die set. To find out more about Mini Delight Breezy Quest and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.